So I like that cooking is like a reliable process. Like you get a recipe and there are a series of steps and you're like guaranteed to, if you follow the steps correctly, to end up with like a really good dish at the end. My favorite thing to make is brownies. First, you preheat the oven to 300 degrees and then you butter and flour a 9-inch square pan. In a mixer fitted with a whisk attachment, you beat the eggs at medium speed until fluffy and light yellow. Then you add both sugars. Add the remaining ingredients and mix to combine. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9-inch square pan and bake for 45 minutes. Check for doneness with the tried and true toothpick method. The toothpick inserted into the center of the pan should come out clean. Resist the temptation to cut into it until it's mostly cool. I like making meals and like the whole thing, like dinner and dessert, and I think it's all like a process and a full meal, so I like to do both.
It's so good.